Welcome back, Chrome users. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to select a browsing data time range in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your PC by locating and clicking on its icon. Step 2. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button with 3 vertical dots. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. Now, hover your cursor over More Tools. Step 4. From the additional options that appear, select Clear Browsing Data. Step 5. The Clear Browsing Data window will open. Here, you'll see a section labeled Time Range. Click on it, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to select a browsing data time range in Chrome on your PC. Customize the time period for which you want to clear your browsing data. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Thank you for watching.